if you guys have if you plug into second monitor into Windows, acts like it doesn't exist. Let's see what we can do to solve this problem. So in this video, we're going to be going through the most common reasons Windows won't detect a second monitor. So first of all, let's check the actual basics. So make sure the monitor is powered on and is set it up for the correct input sources. To continue, I'm going to be showing you just a few images of how it actually works for the second monitor into an actual PC. So basically, you want to make sure that the actual connections into the inputs of the HDMI, you're looking out for the actual correct dual element. Sometimes you have, for example, something like this. Let me show you. You have the HDMI number 1 and HDMI number 2. You have here the power source, and we have the USB. So make sure that the HDMI has an actual display port matching the cable you're using. So make sure also confirm the cable is firmly connected to both ends. If you have tried this different cable in somewhere else and it actually works, let's move off somewhere else. If you right click into your desktop like this, you go for the element that says display settings. Click into the one that says detect under the multiple element. Usually it appears directly inside here. So what I'm going to be doing here is to close this once again, display the actual settings, and inside here I wanted to make sure that if that doesn't work, the text under the multiple display section, press the Windows key plus that usually appears directly inside here, multiple displays, and the text other display. So you hit into detect and you're good to go, or even connect the wireless display. And if it doesn't work, what you wanted to do now, let's press Windows key plus the actual letter P to open the project menu and make sure extent is selected instead of just showing one screen. Now, the step number 5 that I can show you is to press Windows key. You go for Control, you type Shift and B. Here what's going to happen at once, for example, is that this resets my graphic drivers into the spot. You might be let's say, for example, listening to an actual quick sound. Basically what's going to happen here is that this resets the graphic driver into the spot window. You need to do actually a restart, and it fixes a surprising number of display detection issues instantly. This actually works really fine for almost everybody into their computers. And the last thing that I can be showing you, for example, is that you can remove all the connected devices. You're using a docking station, a USB adapter, a hub between your PCs. Try to connect directly instead, so this in between devices commonly sources detection conflicts. Or something else is to open your device manager into the start window, go for right click, look for device manager, expand the display adapter that you can be seeing directly inside here, and right click into your graphic host and select the element that says update the actual driver. If the problem started right after a driver update, you can focus directly into the properties instead of the rollback to the previous version. So the last thing that I can show you, for example, is to keep in mind that not every graphics card supports multiple external displays. So you may want to go directly into your browser, choose let's say the computer that you currently have, and you can be adding here multiple display element. In my case, for example, it actually allows me to do it. So make sure that your computer allows you to add multiple monitors in just one place. So guys, if you have a question, you can let me know to the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And well, hopefully with all this being said, guys, we can all see you all next time.